If you are looking for a really nice raised stainless steel slow feed bowl, we just might have a solution for you. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this raised slow feed bowl. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This can actually be set to 2 heights. I do have a little bit of footage of when I put it together, which I can show you here. So as you can see here, this does take a little bit of assembly, but the instructions are pretty straightforward. It looks like no extra tools needed. Let's put this together. So as you're assembling this, there is 2 different heights that you can actually put this bowl at. I'm gonna go with the lower height because I don't usually use a raised food bowl unless my vet recommends it. So I'm going with the lower one, which is only slightly raised, but you actually can put these on top of each other and it would be that tall. So if you have a dog that needs a really high raised food bowl, this does have that option. So as I said, you can actually do this at 2 heights. I have it on the lowest height. If you did it on the other height, there would be you would double the legs and you would put them in like a triangle. So there would be 3 little legs. I do like that it has this little lip here, making it really easy to take that bowl in and out of there. I love that this is stainless steel. This is a pressed stainless steel bowl. Stainless steel is my favorite type of bowl to use. It just seems to be the easiest to clean, especially when you have pets. Wash your pets' bowls, people. Wash your pets' bowls. The stand itself is made out of wood. It is treated, making it easy to clean and wipe down as well. But the nice thing is this bowl pops out. So you can put this in the dishwasher, clean it however you would like, and then wipe this down after your pets use it. Now, as I said, it does come in 2 different heights. I don't usually use raised bowls with my dogs unless my vet tells me to, but this isn't really very tall. So this would be good for like a dog our size. My dogs are about 50 pounds, and I think this would work pretty well for them. And then, as I said, the slow feed part of it, you can see how hard it's going to be for them to get food out of this. This is beautiful in itself. Like, that in itself I think is awesome. I love the pressed, how it's pressed and how it has the heart in the middle of it. For years and years and years I searched for pressed slow feed bowls that were made with stainless steel, and they're not that easy to find. So to see this is actually pretty cool. So there you can kind of see the height to where Eleanor stands versus where she would be eating. So that's actually not super raised. If you needed it higher, you could always do the second tier on it. I think this is gonna work out pretty good. If you've been looking for a nice raised slow feed bowl that's stainless steel for your pets, we recommend this.